Hello mga ka-sunshine! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're going to, for the third time, to Minnesota's largest candy store before it closed before end of the season.
What's those? The truck van in front of us is from Montana.
There you go.
You can get a pumpkin for $4.99. It says any pumpkin. Yep.
Pumpkin.
They don't do it by size. It's just any pumpkin. Oh wow, I see a lot of people leaving, I'm assuming. I don't think they're looking for parking.
Homemade fudge. It's a busy day, huh?
Yeah.
It's only 11:23.
I just saw a lot of vehicles look like they were leaving, so they should be parking over here, I think. Either that or that's everyone who tried looking for parking going back. Oh yeah, I see. Oh, right here. I see a spot right here. Yep.
Oh, there.
Yep, it's not handicapped.
The jelly
Yeah, it's like right here by the jelly bean.
bean.
Oh my god, look at this rain.
I know. Need the umbrella.
Yep,
Need the
umbrella.
umbrella.
Wow, this puzzle is 40,000 into 20 pieces.
Ooh, this your
Yeah,
favorite.
strudel.
This one? We got two.
Yep. Looking around, is anything catches your eye? Yep. Classic beer bread mix. Cheesy jalapeno bread mix. Bacon taffy. It's maple bacon flavor.
Ooh, interesting bacon. The passion fruit peanut butter, cherry peaches, peppermint.
Chili mango.
Assorted pumpkin pie,
Split.
Black.
Cookies and cream.
banana split.
What?
The banana split. Oh,
Oh, yeah,
that's
yeah.
yummy.
Bacon?
Bacon. It's all about bacon.
Pepper berry bacon jam. Apple maple bacon jam. Oh, look,
Yeah.
bacon lollipops. Yep. Oh, just regular bacon.
Bacon.
And yep, red curry. Ooh, red curry. And what's this flavor? Raspberry chipotle. Oh, like over at the butcher place where we go to get it. Yeah. Bacon. Except when we were little, it wasn't these. We just had those. The fire ones came later on. And these ones too. Yep, potatoes. We'll see what kind of
Oh,
what?
this one's real. Inside.
I don't know. I think it's just. Oh, I see. So you take out the spices. Then you sprinkle in the spice, and you shake it, and you eat it. So this is not meant to be
This
cooked
is
like
not.
ramen. It's an actual, ramen. Oh, bulgogi flavor too. So bulgogi. Oh, yeah, Buddha. We already bought some the other day for that Hatsune. Oh, sweet and spicy fried chicken flavor. Gosh. What's we got here? This is that octopus?
Maybe. Sweet.
Oh, weird. It doesn't say, but yeah, it doesn't say, but there's an octopus right there.
Yeah.
It's like octopus.
Spicy.
Oh, it's that
crayfish.
lobster flavor? Oh, crayfish. Oh, garlic steak.
I've never seen these kind of burritos.
I want to try that one.
Which one?
The
This
steak.
one?
And the prawn.
Garlic steak.
Yeah.
You wanna try that one, garlic? Let's see what else we got over here. Oh, scallion pancakes. What do the Chinese call it? Janbing. Janbing. Oh, avocado. Wait, mustard, avocado? That's an interesting
Ooh,
flavor
yeah.
combination.
Ooh, want to try that one then.
Ooh, what's this one? This is like rib.
Yes.
This is a, yep,
Oh, look at this
roasted
one.
rib. Ooh, garlic oyster flavor. Oh my god, so many flavors.
Oh my
Ooh,
god,
this
so
one's-
many want to try.
This looks like the bulldog flavor or something like that, yeah. Yep, I didn't say what flavor, but yeah, it looks like it's the spicy noodle flavor.
Yeah.
Citrus mix, sodas, oh, ice cream. Oh, boba.
Oh, you have coal.
Ohio.
Jelly beans?
Oh no, it's for
Yeah.
the sushi dinner set. You get edamame. They even have edamame, shrimp, nigiri, maki rolls, nigiri.
Is the wasabi?
Alright, let's go back.
Oh, God.
Oh, but
Monkey Mile.
or maybe this one.
What?
You want that one?
What's that one?
No.
Oh, chili. Bathrooms. Day lemonade with Kim Jong Un. Oh look,
What's that?
you know who that is?
Yeah.
Trump. And we have Gaddafi. What else we got? We got all sorts of. Oh my God! Look at this. Enchilada soda.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, ATM because they only do cash here.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, ranch dressing soda. Oh, coffee. M&M. Jesse jelly bean.
Jelly bean, Sammy Snickers, Jesse Jelly Bean cute. Larry Lollipop.
Larry licorice, Lulu licorice, and Lily licorice. Yeah, it's like
Cute.
a pillow. Yeah. What's this
Cute.
say? More fun inside.
Expensive.
So I'm guessing. Oh,
How much in the mall?
I don't remember. Oh, look at Italian. Oh. Wow, yeah. And the painting is a reproduction of the scene of the Aztecs.
It's heavy.
Oh, you got it! Yep. So you can just, yep, all of them, regardless what size, it's all $4.98. Pumpkin. Yep.
See you in summer next year. So this is what we got. Lay's, it's a ribs flavor, and Doritos flavored prawn. And we got also jelly bean, boba milk tea, Krispy Kreme, jelly bean, Fabulous 5 mixes, the apple strudel, more Lay's, the oyster flavor, Dorito flavored garlic steak and Dorito flavored chicken. And also we got the famous sodas, the black cherry cream, the peaches and cream, the vanilla cream, orange cream. And that's it. Thank you for watching for today's video. See you the next vlog. Bye.